This is a lecture from OpenTuition. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from opentuition.com.
In Lecture 4, the final lecture on Chapter 12, we deal with a number of technical issues, slight amendments to our normal capital gains calculation, dealing with such issues as part disposals, where we sell some but not all of an asset. You might not think that to be a likely or possible prospect, but of course it is. You might go out and buy 10 acres or 10 hectares, if we prefer the more modern terminology, 10 hectares of land, but then you sell 4 or 6 or 8 of those hectares. So you sell some but not all of the asset. Now, how do we deal with that? What's the problem with that? Well, the problem is a simple one. You know what you're selling it for, but what you don't have is the cost of the part being disposed of. Now, in that area, and also an area dealing with chattels, a term we should be familiar with, tangible movable property there, that in those areas and dealing with wasting assets, there are absolutely no changes in the techniques and the rules that apply when dealing with the disposals under these specific circumstances. So there are no changes in the rules. Therefore, we've used the FA 2017 lecture. And the only difference in terms of the material being used in that lecture as compared to our FA 2018, the OT notes that you'll be using for Finance Act 18, dealing with our 18-19 tax year, is that there will be different dates in terms of the transactions that occur within those examples. But the rules that apply, the outcomes are exactly the same. So over to you, therefore, to hopefully now enjoy, shall we say, the Lecture 4 here in Chapter 12.